Kaabang-abang ang bagong update para sa live-action adaptation ng sikat na manga at anime series na One Piece. Sinabi ng Netflix na sinimulan na nila ang production ng upcoming second season nito na ginaganap sa Cape Town, South Africa. Inaasahan din na mapapanood ang kaabang-abang na serye sa taong 2025. Bukod dyan, ibinida na rin ng Netflix ang pinakabagong cast members ng bagong kabanata. Kabilang na riyan sina Katie Segal bilang Dr. Kureha, Mark Herlick as Dr. Hiriluk, Senthil Ramamurthy na gaganap bilang si Nefertari Cobra at Charthra Chandran na gaganap bilang si Miss Wednesday. Magugunitang nauna nang ni-reveal ang new cast members na sina Brendan Sean Murray as Brogy, Callum Kerr as Smoker, Camross Johnson as Mr. 5, Clive Russell as Crocus, Daniel Lasker as Mr. 9, David Dasmalchian as Mr. 3, Jazz Zara Jaslyn as Miss Valentine, Julia Rewald as Tashigi, Rob Coletti as Wapol, Ty Cogue as Dalton, at Werner Coetzer as Dory. Habang ang return ng cast members naman ay sina Iñaki Godoy as Monkey D. Luffy, Mekenyu as Zoro, Emily Rudd as Nami, Jacob Romero as Usopp, Taz Skyler as Sanji, Ilya Isorelis Paulino as Alvida, Jeff Ward as Buggy, at Michael Dorman as Goldie Roger. Para sa mga hindi aware, ang One Piece ay hango sa highest-selling manga series ni Eiichiro Oda na may parehong titulo. Tungkol ito sa legendary high seas adventure ni Monkey D. Luffy, isang young adventurer na nais matupad ang pangarap na maging king of the pirates. Luffy sets off from his small village on a perilous journey to find the legendary fabled treasure, One Piece, to become king of the pirates, but in order to find the ultimate prize, Luffy will need to assemble the crew he's always wanted before finding a ship to sail, searching every inch of the vast seas, outpacing the marines, and outwitting dangerous rivals at every turn. Saad sa kung ano ang takbo ng kwento nito.